What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, thanks for watching this video. My name's T. I'm just one half Peace Love Vegan. Tina, she's my girl. She also does videos with me as well. She does the cooking and recipes and all that stuff like that. But yeah, let me get into the video. This video is about CMOS. What is CMOS? What are the benefits of CMOS? And how to incorporate CMOS into your diet, your lifestyle. So right here I have CMOS in its three forms. And today we'll talk about Irish CMOS. There are different types of CMOS, like Jamaican CMOS, but the most common one is Irish CMOS. So again, we have CMOS in its three forms. We have it in its original, right here. We also have it in its gel texture form right here. And if you're interested in learning how to make it, get it from this texture to a gel texture, click that link down below right here, or you click that link right here. It'll send you right to Tina's video where she showed y'all how to prepare CMOS. So she showed how to take from this form to this form right here. And last we have CMOS powder, organic CMOS powder. And this one right here was interesting because I found it at Mom Organics. And for all those who are not familiar with Mom Organics, it's similar to like Whole Foods. So yeah, so Mom Organics is just like Whole Foods, and I was kind of like shocked and surprised, to find CMOS there. But that just shows that CMOS is getting more like mainstream because it's been around for thousands of years, and people using it in their cultures, other people using it in their cultures like that. So it's always been around. It's just kind of new to like us. Tina and I, we've been using CMOS for like a year now. So I just wanted, like I said, make a video showing y'all guys, the uses of it and the benefits of it. And there's a lot of benefits out there, but I'm just focused on the benefits that I see for myself. So first I want to talk about like acne. So if anybody's like suffering from have acne problems, bad skin, CMOS is definitely something good to use. The gel form, you can use it on your face like that, put it on your face like a facial mask. Also, CMOS is good for like hair breakage, IBS, indigestion problems, which is definitely why I use it. It also is good for your iron and being vegan. Let me get into that. Vegan, we gotta focus on a lot of we gotta focus on non-key minerals, and CMOS has 92 out of 102 minerals that we need for our body. So for instance, like iron, zinc, potassium, omega-3, magnesium, iodine, all that's inside the CMOS, and it's crucial for us vegans or plant-based diet eaters. It's crucial for us to have it. So I always recommend people to get natural other than supplements, because supplements are synthetic and a lot of them not real. But again, CMOS been used for thousands of years in different cultures, so that's why I want to advocate for CMOS. So we went over the different forms of CMOS. We talked about some of the benefits of CMOS, and I said eczema. I also said eczema, and I said the biggest one that I want to point out about CMOS is the mucus dissolver. A lot of underlying diseases like chronic disorders are caused by like mucus, like Alzheimer's caused by like mucus on the brain and things like that. So CMOS helps release the mucus that's in your body. So that's why I always, like I said, advocate for CMOS. And if you want to figure out how to use CMOS, different ways you can use it in your smoothie. That's what I do. You put like a scoop, a teaspoon in your smoothie. You can put it in like for salad dressing, for like bacon. You can put it in, and for bacon, you can put it in like your nut cheese when you make a homemade milk. Tina, she uses it in her salad dressing. If you're interested on a recipe how to use like CMOS gel in your salad dressing, comment down below, and she'll definitely make a video showing y'all guys how to use the CMOS gel into like make it into like a salad dressing. With this right here, I haven't used it in its natural form. I always use it like gel, but I seen some people like boil it. Not boil it, but they because you boil it, it kind of kills the nutrients, destroy the nutrients inside of it. But they actually what's the word, like sauteed it, not sauteed, but like simmer it. That's it, simmer it. I said sauteed, but they kind of simmer it, and when they simmered it, it made it real soft and they were able to use it like in a solid. I'm good. I'm not eating it. I'd rather have it like this, or I'd rather have it like this. So again, like I said, you can use it in homemade nut milk. You can use it in skincare. You can use it for smoothies. Again, I got my own personal smoothie, so you know, put like a scoop in there, blend it, and then you can take it right on the go. So again, and then another thing that I want to focus on that a lot of people don't speak on, since CMOS is high in iodine, it can really be people that has like thyroid problems, or they should be really like wary on using this or using too much of it. You got to be conscious of your iodine level, because too much of that can make your thyroid dysfunction or mess it up. You know, my mother and my stepmother, she has thyroid problems, so that's why I'm gonna put her onto this, and I'm telling her not to use too much of it because of the iodine. I don't think I covered everything. I told y'all the benefits of it. I showed y'all how to use it, why to use it. And if you want a more in-depth video on different ways that we use it, as far as like putting it in smoothies and things like that, comment down below, letting us know that y'all want a video, and I'll definitely post a video showing y'all guys put it in a smoothie, salad dressing, showing Tina. I told Tina to make a video using it to make her nut cheese. That'll be a good video too. So if you're interested in how to incorporate this into like a nut cheese, you know, comment down below. You can use it as a facial mask. And I just want to reiterate things like that, because CMOS is very, very, very good. You know, and there's other things too that are good, and I'm going to talk about that in my next video, like bladder wreck, and chlorophyll. So if you're familiar with that, you know, subscribe to my channel, because I'm definitely making another video speaking on bladder wreck and chlorophyll. If you're not familiar with that, subscribe to my channel, and I'll definitely tell y'all guys, explain to y'all guys exactly the benefits of bladder wreck and chlorophyll and things like that. So, you know, without further ado, I want to wrap this video up. I appreciate everyone for watching this video. I've been meaning to make this video for a long time, but I wasn't able to get the powder. But now that I got the powder, I was able to show y'all guys the 3 forms of CMOS. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Hit that post notification button, because we have videos every single week. My bad. Subscribe to us on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram at PeaceLoveVegan420. Also follow us on Twitter at PeaceLoveVegan too. And I also got a Facebook page that I'm really trying to build up at PeaceLoveVegan420. What makes us different, for those guys that are new, what makes us different than other vegan channels is because our bigger goal, the bigger goal. You know, my goal is to get a farmer's market or a garden in every neighborhood that are targeted for unhealthy eating. So if it has a corner store, let's put a garden in it. If it has a liquor store, let's put a farmer's market in it. It's all about educating people on how to eat and live consciously. And if they don't have the resources in their neighborhood, then they'll be less likely to eat or live consciously. And all this was, you know, inspired and motivated by, you know, my mother passing from cancer. You know, she grew up in a neighborhood that was that didn't have many resources. So now I'm here, trying to get my name out here, trying to get our page big, to make an impact on every neighborhood all over the world. You know, it's all about eating to live, don't live to eat. So again, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and you know, like I always say, dare to be vegan. Peace.